How many combinations can be made from hope, the word hope, if the letters are taken A, 1 at a time, B, 2 at a time, C, 3 at a time? So in this video, we will talk about combinations. Ayun yung gagamitin natin para ma-solve itong problem na to. So, ano ba yung combinations? The number of different arrangement of n objects using r less than or equal to n of them in which n objects are distinct, ibig sabihin hindi magkakamukha, kakaiba sa isa't isa, there are no repetitions, walang nauulit, at ang mahalaga sa lahat, order is not important, is denoted by the combination of n objects taken r at a time equals n factorial over r factorial multiplied by quantity n less r factorial. Kung marirecall ninyo, sa previous video natin, pinag-usapan natin ay permutation. Basically, nag-uusap ang tungkol din yun sa different arrangement ng objects. Kaya lang, mahalaga sa permutation yung pagkakasunod-sunod, yung order. Ang pinagkaiba niya dito sa combination, hindi natin titingnan yon. Order is not important. So, halimbawa, pag tinignan natin yung example natin, arrangements ng letters sa salitang hope, yung sagot na, let's say, if the letters are taken 2 at a time, halimbawa, ang sagot na HO ay kaparehas din ni OH sa combination. Because again, hindi mahalaga yung order doon eh. So, kung pagpalitin ko dito yung OH at saka yung O, makukuha ko yung isang possible arrangement, ibibilang ko na lang yan as 1. Sa permutation kasi hindi. Magkaiba si HO kay OH. So, isa yun sa pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. Now, let's try solving this problem. How many combinations can be made from the word hope if the letters are taken? Unahin natin ito, 1 at a time. So, sangayon sa formula, dapat alam natin yung N and R natin. Apparently, yung N natin ay yung number of letters sa salitang hope, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ngayon, yung unang case natin, unang scenario natin, binigay sa atin yung R. Ilang objects, ilang letters, in this example's case, ang i-consider mo at a time. First case, R is equal to 1. Second case, R is equal to 2. And then, in third case natin, R is equal to 3. Now, we can solve. Unahin natin yung letter A. And si letter A, yun na kailangang ilagay yan. Letter A, N is 4. So, combination of 4 objects taken 1 at a time. So, we have 4 factorial, plugging in the values of N and R dun sa ating formula. Tulad ko dito. N factorial over R factorial multiplied by N minus R factorial. N yung ating formula para sa combination of N objects taken R at a time. Again, para sa combination, no, yung R mo ay pwedeng mas maliit or kaparehas ni N. Pero never siyang magiging mas marami. So, let's plug in the values. N is 4. R is, in this example's case, 1. So, 1 factorial multiplied by 4 minus 1 quantity factorial. Let's simplify bago tayo mag-evaluate ng factorials natin. Yung 4 minus 1 is just 3 factorial. We know na yung 1 factorial is just 1. So, basically, ito ay 4 factorial over 3 factorial. Na kung i-expand natin, is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 3 times 2 times 1. Para i-solve yung mga ganitong problem, hindi ba, sabi natin, pwede kang mag-multiply na head-on, saka mo na lang i-simplify by reducing your answer sa lowest possible term. Or, ngayon pa lang, mag-cancel ka na. Mag-simplify ka na. Notice na parehas yan may factor na 3. Cancel mo yan. Cancel mo yung 2. Cancel mo yung 1. Ano na lang ang matitira sa atin? we'll only be left with 4 as our answer. So if you use the letters, so salitang hope, and then rearrange mo yan considering the letters one at a time, or taking the letters one at a time, meron ka lang 4 na possible arrangements. How about kung i-take natin letters 2 at a time, so R is equal to 2. So, problem natin is combination of 4 objects taken 2 at a time. 4 factorial over 2 factorial multiplied by 4 minus 2 quantity factorial. Simplify natin. 2 factorial. 4 minus 2 is just 2 factorial. And then, we have 4 times 2 times, 3 times 2 times 1 over, this is 2 times 1, which is 2. And then 2 times 1, then another 2. Basically, ito ay 4. So, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 4. You can multiply head-on, tsaka ka mag-simplify, reduce into lowest term, or mag-cancel ka kung posible. In this example's case, pwede kong alisin na yung 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. So, ano lang ang natira sa atin? 3 times 2, which is 6, multiplied by 1, which is also 6. Meron lang tayong 6 na possible arrangements kung kukunin natin dala-dalawa yung mga letra sa salitang hope. Huling example natin ay i-rearrange yung mga letters sa salitang hope. This time, let's take the letters 3 at a time. So, ang problem basically is combination of 4 objects taken 3 at a time. Same thing, 4 factorial divided by, this time, R is 3. So, 3 factorial multiplied by 4 minus 3, E1. 4 minus 3 factorial, and then let's simplify. This is 4 factorial over 3 factorial na minultiply sa 4 minus 1, which is just 1 factorial. Nasabi natin hindi na mahalagang bagay because 1 factorial is just 1. Multiply mo yun sa 3 factorial pa rin ang magiging sagot. So basically, we just have 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. And tingnan, nakuha na natin yun kanina. Alam natin na ang sagot dyan ay 4, which means number of arrangements na makuha natin if you take the letters of the word hope 3 at a time sa bawat arrangement, bawat possible arrangement, ay kagaya nung nauna nating nagawa. Meron lang din tayong 4 possible arrangements. Ginagawa natin to again kasi minsan mahirap gawin yung ganitong problem manually. Diba? So, una madali, 1 at a time. So, ang possible arrangements mo dyan, simpleng-simpleng H, O, P, and E. Diba? Kasi isa-isa lang kada arrangement. And then, 2 at a time, meron kang makukuha dyan na HO. Yung OH, hindi mo na ulitin because again, a combination, hindi natin titingnan yung order. So, HO is basically the same as OH. Bukod dyan, meron din tayong HP. Ano pa? Meron tayong HE. Then, OP. OE. OH, kaparehas na again ni H. Natitira na lang, I guess, ay PE. Taken 2 at a time. Tigdadalawang letra yan, kada possible arrangement. So, number 3 naman, bakit 4 lang din? Kung iti-take mo yan 3 at a time, possible arrangements natin, we have HOP, HOE, HPE, pa na ulit dyan. And isa na lang titira, ano kaya yun? OPE. And lahat yan distinct from one another. So, madali lang to kasi onti lang yung involved na letters na objects. Pero kung marami na masyado, helpful na ang paggamit ng formula. Now it's your turn. Yun nga, gamitin natin yung kaparehong example. I-rearrange yung letters sa salitang hope. Kaya lang, para sa practice mo, let's take them four at a time. Means, yung R mo equal to 4. Let me know in the comments kung ano magiging sagot mo o kung may bahagi ng video na to na hindi mo ganong naunawaan. Thank you so much for watching this video.